Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing something that I've wanted to do for ages. We're finally out here riding Boomerang Farm Bike Park. I've been wanting to ride this place for years. And we're going Medicare. Just a nice chill little warm-up run. That was really bad. I've never ridden anything like this, so I need to get a bit of time to get used to it. Oh, that was pretty weird. It's quite dusty out here as well, so don't want to stuff anything up. That was really bad. Went really deep. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. That was not the greatest. Check that out. What is that? A little step down. That's pretty chill. Don't have speed for that. Oh, this is the Black Diamond section. There's the drop. Let's see how the rest of this trail is. Take the inside line. Oh yeah, this is the difficult bit, I'm pretty sure. It's got that gap. And have this one. That's not too bad. What's this? Oh, that's actually not too bad. That's pretty chill. Pine line. Nice. Woo. That's nice. We'll go Black Diamond. What's this got on it? Nice. Little gap. Woo. Nice. Oh, just chunky. Oh. Real chunky. Oh, this one I'm pretty sure. Oh, massive berms.
Into it.
Let's go Sidewinder. Super fast, flowy run this one, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Berms are loose. Woo. Oh, almost. Massive inside there. Oh, not nice. Oh, Jesus. Slow out of that corner. Massive roll up these ones. Not going fast enough. Woo. Burns are so good. Inside line. Woo. Sick trail. Woo. Sick little corner down there. Jump here, how big is it? Oh Jesus. Woo. Had to squash that one. Going way too fast. Woo. Big top line gap in. Top line again, gap in. Woo. Ha. Oh, shark fin, nice. Like that. Oh, that was a double. Oh. That was a little side hit there. It's a pretty big double. I'll put it over there. Woo! Let's go. A-line. Whoa. Oh, that is so chill. And we're off. Perfect. Boom. Also perfect. Boom. Nice. Got a little tweak tabletop thing off there. Then go really slow into this hip. Because it sends you so deep. Woo. High line. No, not taking the high line. That's a gap. It's a small gap, but still a gap. This is just a cider run. A-line, B-line. Whoa. Oh, she's dropped. Oh yeah, pretty big. Nice. Probably won't do that one. B-line's around here. Oh yeah, definitely go B-line. The A-line will take you right off that drop. And that drop is pretty tall. And not exactly feeling like doing that today. This joins on the sidewinder then. Nice. Wasn't perfect, but gee, that's a big drop. Pretty big. I reckon I could do it. Okay, now we try the pallet drop. I don't think this one should be too bad. Don't think. Right off this. Oh, bottomed out. Massive bottom out. But that's a lot bigger than I thought it was. I thought that one was kind of small. Oh no, that's not kind of small. It's a fast drop. Nice wall ride. I'm not doing wall rides. They are my worst enemy. Hate them. Nice. Little shark fin, we'll do it. Nice. Should have done that one. This is the back jump. Woo. Oh, it joins back on here. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Nice berms. Hope I hit that A-line. That's like a big hip thing in there. Not fast enough. Woo. Sick trail. Woo. Let's go. Doing Rodney's on some Enduropedia. Then maybe heading the last little bit of Super Stag. Little step up there I want to try. Woo. Love this. Missed it. It's this way. This way, I'm pretty sure. Enduropedia. Let's go. See what this is like. Woo. Tech stuff. Nice. Going high line. Don't know if there's really a difference. Low line was probably cooler. I might do this again tomorrow because we are here for 2 days, so. Oh, definitely chunky. Oh, that almost was bad. There's Super Stag. Not doing that. Too big for me. Jeez. The gap on that doesn't look too bad. Just the jump doesn't look too particularly nice. Bottom half Super Stag. No, that's not happening. That's too steep. That's massive Super Stag. Jeez. Doing all Rodney's run to finish off. This run. Whoa. Little drop. And have a look at this gap just up here. They carry a truckload of speed and it looks pretty easy. What did I just stumble across? Is this Remy's line? I think it is Remy's line. That's cool. Shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. As long as my feet are in the right spot. There we go. Simples. Now here's some techie stuff. Take a high line. Woo. Absolutely sending it through here. Woo. Almost hit that tree. Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost just full body weight into that tree just then. Woo. Super fun. sidewinder again. This time we're doing it onto Mini Mega. I'm going to do the bottom half of Mini Mega. And I want to try to get Robbo's riser done. And the last little drop, right at the bottom. Oh, that jump's so annoying to clear. Nice. Have a look at Robbo's riser. Let's get this. Oh no, I missed it. I took the wrong line, no frick. Okay, going in for a second attempt. Robbo's Robbo's riser. Took the wrong line first time. Okay, we're on. You good? Let's freaking get this. So deep. Whew. So deep. Oh my god, I'm stoked. I actually even brake checked before that. I was going way too fast. Oh, that's sick. Let's freaking go. Woo! I'm actually going to go this slow into the pallet drop. Woo. It still went deep, and I was going so slow. I just completely lost it there. Big wall ride, not going to do that. Don't like wall rides, especially those kind of wall rides. Look at this little shark fin. I want to try the bigger jump there, but probably do it tomorrow. I'll try that bigger jump tomorrow. Woo! Nice little mani, and get some sick burns and nice jumps and stuff here. Oh my god, I missed it again. So annoyed. Ow. Right off this. Yeah, nice. Oh, so close. Such a weird jump. You got to carry so much speed into that one. Woo! What? Okay, let's hit this little drop and I'll be stoked. Oh my god, pedal, foot came off pedal. I just Englished again there. Woo! Super chill. Oh no, didn't make it. Medicare. Go a bit slower into the jumps because I was going a bit fast last time. It almost ended bad. This is the... Whoa! That was sketch. That was also sketch. You just squashed that one. Went really far on that one. But that's fine. Here's the... No. Yeah, this is the step down. Easy. Step up. That was really bad, but we did it. Okay. I'm gonna jump off onto the black diamond one here. We're not doing Broad East Gap. Rodney's Run Gap. Not today. I reckon I could do it. On this trail, gonna hit that gap right at the end. Oh, didn't make that one. That's fine. Nice. Oh, bit of a drop off there. Step down. Oh, pedal slipping all over the place. Woo. Booking it through there. Love some good old chunky tech. Oh. Completely smacked my head on that tree. Front wheel made it though. But the tree fricked me up. Yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Another video coming up tomorrow. We're gonna ride some of the downhill stuff. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Good. Bye. I'm dead.